Okay, ding, ding, ding. Here comes a scientific question. Where did dinosaurs... Everybody wants to know what happened to the dinosaurs. I always ask, where'd they come from? So let's ask one of these questions. Ding, ding, ding. Say, yell real loud with me. Where did dinosaurs come from? Where did dinosaurs come from? One more time. Where did dinosaurs come from? You know what that depends on? It depends on what you believe. Do you believe what God says in the Bible? That's what the picture is on your handout right there. Does the Bible tell us when land animals were made? Does it tell us when dinosaurs were made? Yes. What date? Who said 6? There you go. The 6th day. God made the land animals. Were those land animals? So the Bible tells us that the land animals were made on day 6. And then he made all these other kinds of animals, and they all produce after their kind, after their kind, after their kind. Is that true? Is that what we observe out there? Okay. But if you don't believe what God says in Genesis, and some people, I don't want to burst anybody's bubble, but did you know there's some people that don't believe in God at all? They don't believe in God at all. So if they get rid of God, now where do they get the dinosaurs to come from? They came from that single living cell, billions of years ago. And we can ask those scientific questions. Let's ask, how do you know that? One, two. How do you know that? Yell really loud. How do you know that? Yeah, how do you know the dinosaur came from that single living cell? Has that ever been observed? No, it's not been observed. So we got to separate what's the fact and what the fiction. How about this? Where God made everything in 6 days. Has that ever been observed? Yeah. God observed it. And if you believe that he revealed it in a book, that's the assumption. We believe that God revealed himself in a book and we can understand it. Okay? And the assumption here is there's no God. So then when it comes to how did life begin? Ask that question real loud. How did life begin? That's a hard one. If you believe in eternal life giver, yeah, eternal life can make life. But how do you get life from non-life? I'm going to show you this video so you understand how complicated life is. When Darwin came up with this theory right here, it's called evolution. You ever heard of that? Yeah, evolution. He thought that the cell was as complicated as a ping pong ball. And he said, we don't know how life began because we don't know enough. Well, now we know enough. And we really don't know how life began.